Yesterday I posted a video here and a lot of you were dropping comment like wow, this is amazing and all of that. Well, your highlight guy is here now with the highlight from that show. Flavour show in Portugal was sold out. Actually, it was not organized by himself. It was organized by Afro Nation. Afro Nation is an entertainment platform where they organize yearly festival in different parts of the country. And this year they took it to Portugal. And yes, Flavour was one of the guest performing artists. You can see from the video here, he's giving the magic as usual. We all know that Ijele of Africa has a lot installed in him, and whenever he wants to give it out, he give it out in massive. Now, my main focus about this video is the dressing. I don't know who always give Flavour dress sense before he climbs stage, but trust me, whoever is doing that job is doing a great and a beautiful, magnificent, amazing job. Like, can you see the outfit? Can you see how it match with the stage? Can you see how it match with the color of the lighting and everything? It went just so perfect. Well, before most of the hit songs there, and I'm just going to allow you take a glimpse of this one, listen to them one after the other, then come back. Let's talk about it again.
If you know you're right here and you're beautiful, make some noise now. Let me take off my glasses. I want to see the beautiful ladies in the building. Wave your hands if you're beautiful wherever you are. Give it to them now. You ready now? I got this song for you. To all my beautiful ladies in the building. Oh yeah. I'm looking for someone. Are you here? Are you over there? Are you on the one down there? See you. Are you there? I'm looking for someone. I have the eagle's eyes and I can see. You and you and you. Woo! Have you seen my tomato video? Baby, something they couldn't be turned back. Anything for you, my baby, because your waist 34 and your hips 44 and you are 24. I love my baby. If you love your baby, say something. Hey, show me what you got. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Why?
You can't take it from Flavour now, that he is the high life god Yes, the high life God. I did not say the Almighty God, oh. The high life God, the African high life God. Nobody can take that away from him. He has his stage magic. He has his physical magic. He knows how to convince the lady to bring out the money and, you know, buy that ticket for the show. A lot of beautiful magic. This highlight you just watch now, this is not the full performance from Flavour. If you notice, if you take notes, you notice that some of the clips play them separately. Some part I just brought, yes, give you a glimpse of how it went down there. Now, if you want to watch the full video, you can actually visit Afro Nation to get the full video. But this is just highlight. I am your highlight guy, and I just brought you the highlight from that one. So thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment. Enjoy, guys.